Hey folks, how's it going? This is Mr. Murray coming to you with a do now for Course 1 CP for Tuesday, April 7th, 2020. Today we're going to be continuing on with our investigation and kind of refresher on graphing. Okay, and so what I want you to do is this. I want you to graph the function given here. This is very similar to what we did yesterday. Okay, we're in standard form now. And so what we're going to do is this function is g of x equals negative x squared plus 9. So if you need to go back and maybe take a look at yesterday's do now or anything in standard form, please feel free to do that. Otherwise, what I need you to do is pause the video, make a graph in a table, and then when you're ready, unpause, and you can see if you were right. All right. So this is in standard form, so it's good to try to plug in 0 first. That's a nice easy number to plug in when we're in standard form. And I'm just going to clear this out of the way so we can just make sure we can see this is a plus 9. So if I square 0, I get 0. And 0 plus 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Beautiful. All right, and now the next easiest number that we'd want to plug in maybe is 1. So let's try 1. Okay, so if I plug in 1, it looks like this. So 1 squared is 1. This makes it negative 1. Negative 1 plus 9 is 8. Now I do 2. 2 squared is 4. This makes it a negative 4. Plus 9 is 5. Let's try 3. So I do 3. 3 squared is 9. This makes it a negative 9. Plus 9 is 0. And I think I'm now going to try to plug in negative 1. Okay, that was a choice I made because we should get some points on the other side as well. Okay, so negative 1 squared is 1. Oh, just like 1. Okay, so negative 1 squared gives me the same thing as 1 squared. So I should get the rest of it will be the same, right? Because negative 1 squared is 1, negative 1, and then you get 8. So is negative 2 the same thing as positive 2? Yeah, right? Or rather, is negative 2 squared the same thing as positive 2 squared? That's what I meant. And the answer to that is yes, it is. Okay, negative 2 squared is 4, just like 2 squared is 4. So we'll end up with the same thing. And as it turns out, this point 0, this here is the vertex. So then by the symmetry, I also get this. And then I connect and I make my parabola. Now, this one's interesting because I'm now going to draw the parent function. And here we go. Okay, and so if we think about the transformations, now what I need to do is I would have to do a reflection followed by a shift upwards of 9. Okay, so if we found this video to be helpful and you were able to get the same thing as me, today we're going to go ahead and wrap up the sheet that we got started with yesterday and really tighten up our analysis and our understanding of graphing in standard form. All right, so again, help me out by getting that work done. Feel free to send me questions anytime. Have a wonderful day, and don't forget to love math.